Here I've got Sharp C10 and let me show you how to activate portable hotspot on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then click on the More icon here, select Personal Hotspot and simply activate it by tapping on the switcher. Then you can personalize it, so click on Setup Wi-Fi Hotspot, where you can change network name and also the password. Simply tap on the password, click on the eye icon to see what your current password is, delete it and enter a new one. Once it's entered, click on confirmation mark and that's it. Now your personal hotspot is active and you have new network name and also new password. Then you can switch it off simply by tapping on this icon one more time. You can also activate the Wi-Fi hotspot through the upper bar, simply slide it down. And now by tapping on hotspot icon, you can activate it. Then you can switch off network sharing by tapping on the same switcher. And that would be all. This is how you can use personal hotspot in your Sharp. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.